Commercial heating is undergoing a fundamental shift from fossil fuel dependency to high-efficiency electrification. Introducing Blue Star air-to-water commercial heat pump, an ultra-quiet EC propeller fan, and high-efficiency inverter scroll compressors for uninterrupted operation. Delivers hot water with outstanding seasonal efficiency, with modular redundancy and seamless cascading. A protected electrical panel with integrated safety interlocks. Blue Star air-to-water commercial heat pump. Built for continuity. Built for more. Blue Star.